I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open a City Touch account. First, gather your photo ID, proof of address, and email before you begin the online form. I will walk you through account types, security steps, and how to choose between checking and savings. Stay with me through verification, funding options, fee notes, and tips to avoid holds so you can complete setup confidently and quickly. Begin at the City Touch homepage and pick Open an account to start. Follow each screen, inputting your name, address, and date of birth as on your ID to speed verification. Choose checking or savings and set a strong password plus multi-factor authentication. I will explain identity checks, document uploads, and how to add a joint holder or beneficiary so your account matches your needs and remains protected. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Quick recommendation: a book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money, and it pairs nicely with practical banking steps. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to learn more. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Next, fund your City Touch account using an external bank transfer, debit card, or mobile deposit to meet the minimum opening balance. Verify identity with instant checks or upload clear scans of ID and proof of address when requested. Look for confirmation emails and small test deposits to verify linked accounts. I will share timing expectations, common hold reasons, and simple fixes so you can access funds and avoid unnecessary delays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.